Hello guys, in today's video of Cooking Made Easy with Aleko, we will be making my favorite fish tacos. Now ingredients with the taco is salmon, cabbage with carrots, avocado sauce, cheese, and tomatoes. Now we heat up the tortilla, then we put on the plate. Let me move them to here. And I recommend the tortillas that we get is these Mexican street market white corn tortillas from Netto. You should get them, they are very nice. And now we will get started making it. So you get your avocado sauce, you put it on the tortilla, spread it around a little bit, then get some of your carrots and cabbage and sprinkle it around just like that. And get your tomato. And then the most important part is the salmon. So you get the salmon, put it there, put a little more guacamole sauce, and sprinkle more carrots and cabbage. And final thoughts